Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. So do you remember when we cleaned up all the sheep pen in the barn and cleaned all that out because I had hay coming? Well, today's the day. We have hay coming in. So far 4 bales, 6 more to come. So that's exciting. This is the area that my sheep pens and my calf pens used to be in. And we cleaned all of this up in preparation for all of this hay because this part of the barn has a new roof and it doesn't leak. So I wanted to make sure that I got all of my hay stacked up front. So now we'll have 12, after we're done today, we'll have 12 big bales in here. And then of course, all of our small bales too. If you're a horse person or a cow person or a ranch farmer, there is almost nothing in the world that makes you feel richer than a barn full of hay. It is the equivalent of having $100 bills put in your hand. And then there was 6 new bales. That's exciting stuff. Went ahead and fed all the ponies a hay snack. It's really just an early dinner, basically. It's 3:45, so that'll keep them occupied so they're not bothered so much by the tractor coming in and out. These guys are so broke, they don't care, but they were just feeling their Wheaties and being a little silly, so I gave them something to snack on. I am going to clean stalls in between waiting for the guy to come and drop off bales. I just think it's so cool that I live in such a small community that he's literally just bringing the bales over with his tractor. It's just so cool to be back in a farming community where I belong. It's still, every day I just think, just pinch me. And there it all is. Boy, that's exciting. If I get all the way back here. I have got a barn full of hay and I couldn't be happier. This is so awesome. I have so much hay for the kids, it's great. All right, I'm gonna get back to cleaning stalls. Got lots of stalls to clean. So I'm gonna let the kids out now that the tractor's gone and get back to chores. Well, look who already found the hay. What do you think, Rogie? Huh? You now have 11 great big bales to choose from. I don't know if you can get up on top of that one up there, though. What do you think? Huh? You happy? Oh. Lil, what are you doing? She's like, oh my gosh, we can build huge hay forts in here. Oh, there you are. What are you doing? away. No sooner do I get it cleaned up than you produce more. That's the one thing about horses. You can't say, okay kids, everybody go to the restroom now while I'm in here cleaning your stalls. You can't tell them to go to the bathroom while you're in their stall. They just go when they want. And sometimes it's right after you clean their stall. Just works that way. Okay, now that stalls are done, I'm going to move on to getting evening feeds done. Oh, I need to relocate the cat's food. She's like, oh, room service? Look at these cute little nuggets. Yeah, little chicky nuggets. Billie Jean! You! Come here! Got a snack for you. I stomp on it first. Yep, stomped on it for you. You're welcome. Moving on, I had an early morning this morning in the groom shop, so I did not get my chicken chores done this morning, so out to chicken chores we go. First, we're going to start with snacks. I have a whole bunch of snacks for them. Pretty good egg haul. And the teenagers. Look at the baby carrots. They're so cute. Cute littles.